We are at the New Dorp High School car show. Don't worry, it's not like anybody's watching you live on live stream.
We're
getting ready to do the awards, so I'm hoping the DJ stops soon. So, this is just 1/4 of the show.
Into the Cadillacs and stuff like that?
Yep.
I got something that might interest you. Let me just take a glimpse of that. Got those in black and in white. I also have some lowrider Cadillac stuff.
Beautiful.
They get $20 each. They're silkscreen t-shirts made in America. I sell them. I have them right here, right now. You need a business card? That's up to you.
You got a Facebook page or something?
Excuse me?
You got a Facebook page where you sell them on?
Yeah.
Because I got a Cadillac club with 33,000 people on it.
I'm hip.
So, let me link to you and I'll get you some shirts. Beautiful.
Yeah, I do Cadillac lowrider and I do a regular Cadu shirt.
Okay.
Black and white, and the lowrider is white shirt. Yeah,
Cool.
a couple of seconds. I got the Ugly Impala sitting over there. I'll show you the shirt if you're interested.
I'll be working my way over there.
All right, man.
We're live on Facebook right now, so
All right, thanks.
you want to show off your shirts?
Sure thing.
All right. Beautiful Corvette. Love the pink though. Nice GTO.
But then I put my watch on and watch wasn't tight.
Let's go do some legendary muscle cars. Sorry, please.
Somebody did something. Because I know for a fact.
Be nice to see this one in a couple months when it's done. Nice 65 Mustang.
Yeah, we redid it this year. Oh, it's really nice. Yeah.
But it has that Euro lighting all around. The track goes. See how I do it?
How you doing?
Call for the 50-50. Last call for the raffle table. Last call, 50-50. Last call, raffle table. Trophies will be about 20 minutes. Just please be patient. I promise you, I'm just getting all my final sheets. Last call right over here, the lady, the gray shirt, 50-50, raffles. Last call. All right, thank you. Everybody enjoy. Give me a few more minutes.
When Joe Skiggs owned this, I did the motor.
Recording?
It's good. We're live streaming. I haven't shared it anywhere but my Cadillac page because I don't have my phone at the same time to share.
I'll share it on my page.
Yeah, I'll put it out in a couple minutes.
Once I'll share it on my page.
This is my favorite spot. Food trucks.
How was the game?
There's some cool bicycles over here too. We're gonna put this up in the air now that we share this. You guys can share this and to your page. I'd appreciate it. Set up the tripod to go higher in the air so that you can see everything. Of course, as soon as I do, the wind comes out. If you're just joining us, we're in Staten Island, New York, New Dorp High School. All right, let's take a little walk. We're gonna go a little airborne.
Custom.